Hey guys, and on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just go right into Microsoft Store. Now right here, we just have to go right into memberships. So that's a second or third option depending your layout. And from there we're going to see this Xbox Live Gold and we're going to see the 3 free games. So let's just click right now, get more information. Under get more information, we should see those 3 free games. They're down here below. And from there we can just start downloading them right away. They should say free at this point in time, except for Xbox 360 games. Although they do work on your Xbox One, it usually does have to verify that it's in fact free. So we're gonna download that one last. So let's start off with this guy right here. Now again, it has to say free. It's not a demo, it's not a trial. You guys can download it right now. It's gonna be yours forever basically. As long as you guys have the membership, obviously. However, you do only have a certain amount of time in order to download these games. After that, they will no longer be free. So this one has 24 days left and it should say free on the top. Let's just click on get. So since this video was published, it's 24 days. After those 24 days, there's a fresh new batch of games coming up for free. So right now it's saying pending the download. Don't worry about it. Let's just go back. And then we're gonna take a look at exactly how big each one is. Let's just go right into the second game, which I'm not too excited about, but hey, I'm gonna try it out and see how good or bad it is. So right now we should just scroll down a little bit and we should see this. Again, it has to say free. It does only say 8 days left, so we don't have that much time. That means there's another game coming up very soon. Hopefully I'll make a video about it. But for now, let's just click on get. So once you click on get, you're gonna see this circle spinning and then there we go. It's just gonna start downloading by itself. Let's just go back. And the only different game right here would be any 360 games. So you're gonna see that you're gonna have to verify some payment information, which doesn't make sense since it's free, but that's just how Xbox does it. So let's just click on see the price right now. Again, on the top, we should see free. If you see a price, don't do it. So right now you guys can see that it says in fact free. So let's just continue and verify our payment information and it's not gonna cost us anything. It does this every single time with any Xbox 360 games. Once we confirm it, we should see this screen, which is actually an error from Xbox because this is not supposed to be this huge. And we're just gonna click on done. It's gonna take us back here because of that minor glitch that it has. That's okay. Let's just go back and we're gonna keep going back and back and back and back. And we're just gonna take a look at all the games that are downloading right now and make sure how big they are. So I can see Fortnite's updating, so I'm gonna pause that so we can see everything else. I'm gonna scroll all the way down. I wanna see what's happening under my downloads. So yes, Fortnite. We're gonna have to pause this, obviously, so pause updating. And that's because I want to see exactly how big these other games are at. I can see that one's missing. That just means I have to go back and make sure it's downloading. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Anyways, right now you guys can see that the first one is in fact 22.93 gigs. So let's just go back and make sure the other one that's kind of glitched. That happens with Xbox 360 games. Not sure why. Hopefully Xbox does fix it. But we're gonna click on it again. And this time, we're gonna have to maybe click on install. So yes, we're gonna have to click on install, although we own the game. So there we go. Right now it's in pending. Go back. Again, that only happens with Xbox 360 games. I'm gonna go back into my games and apps, scroll all the way down, take a look at this, and we should see all our games. Alright, so for now, I'm just gonna pause this one right here so we can take a look at the other games and how big they are. So right now, this one, yep, so we're just waiting for this one to load, and this one as well, so it's staying installing. So it's not really telling me just yet how big it's gonna be, but it is smaller, so it should not take as long as the other ones. And really, I can't really tell you how long each one of these will take you to download because it does depend on your internet speed. So with really fast internet speed, these games can download in seconds, minutes, hours, or days. So it does, in fact, depend on your internet speed. Usually if you want faster internet speed, just hook it up directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable will make it faster than your Wi-Fi, most likely. As you guys can see, this other one is less than a gig. It's only 700 megabytes, and that's why it's downloading so fast. And that's the only reason I'm letting it download the whole way. just because it's so small. Now, just because it's going pretty fast for me doesn't mean it's gonna go that fast for you. My internet is okay-ish, so that's why it's going that speed. With faster internet, obviously this would go faster. With slow internet, this would go slower. For now, that one just installed, that's fine. We're going to go and on seeing Saints Row 2, see how big that one is. Now that one's 7 gigs, that'll take a lot longer. We're just gonna let it happen, but right now you guys can see exactly how big each one is, and that would be it for this video. Just remember that we do have a limited time in order to download these guys for free, so do it right now. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.